Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video. We want to look at our new 155 machine. Do you want the maximum amount of power without going to a diesel or even a propane machine? I know that everybody wants the most pressure out there. Everybody has seen the diesel machines, whatever brand they are. Everybody's seen them the way they work, but I also hope you know that they're a lot more expensive, that they can only be used indoors, and they don't really have brush attachments with them. So it makes doing the interior of the car a challenge. You can't beat the volume that you get with a diesel machine. The diesel machine produces never-ending steam. It's almost like steam coming out of a fire hose that just doesn't stop. But if you can't or won't go to diesel, if you can't or won't spend that kind of money, we think that this machine is a great alternative. We spent a lot of time developing this machine. It has a really big boiler in it. We put a really big heater in it. We've made it to the kind of wattage that most good generators can handle this machine. We're at about 3,800 watts to run this machine, which is a little less than 20 amps on a 240 volt circuit. So with this machine, we're giving 155 PSI. We've already done videos on how this holds pressure. This holds pressure really, really well. Still injection system, where if you want to put your waterless car wash product or a wheel cleaner or an all-purpose cleaner in the injection tank, you can still do that. We have a 16-foot hose with this machine, which we think is a nice long hose to at least park the machine on one side of the car and then go back and forth without having to move the machine. It's going to heat up real fast. The people that have this machine, that jumped on this machine as soon as it came out, really, really like it. We've seen basically zero problems with this as long as you power this machine the right way. If you can go 240 voltage, it's really going to help you in cold weather. It's going to help you get salt off the car a lot easier. It's going to help you clean those wheels a lot easier. But you have to have 240. And in the other videos that we've done, we do explain the electrical requirements. I explain the type of plugs and how to wire it, exactly what you need electronically to hook this machine up. But as you can see by the stature of the machine, it's nowhere near as big as a diesel. You can transport it. Even with water in the tanks, water in the boiler, this machine is going to weigh about 45 to 50 pounds. You can put it in the back of your SUV. You can roll it around. We have the bicycle handles that come off the top when it's fully assembled. So this machine is a very, very good alternative to a diesel machine. You're not going to spend anywhere near the money that you're going to spend on diesel. You can use it indoors. If you're a commercial cleaner, if you're cleaning restaurants and you have a 240 volt source, we highly recommend this machine because from what we've seen, I'm very happy with this machine and its performance, and our initial customers that have bought this machine love it so far. So take a closer look.